Good evening students. So today we are going to do the worksheet on multiplication. So first question given here, choose the correct option. In the first question given, the product of, you have to find the product of 18 and 9 is. So you know the table of 18, so you know what will be the product of this. So see which option will be correct option here in between this, that is A, B and C, D. Which option is correct? Go through that and put the correct answer from this given questions. Now come to question number 2. In the question number 2, it has been given that 96,814 into 8. You know that as we know the properties of multiplication, there you know that the number, any number which we are multiplying by 0 gives the product always 0. So you can go through this, which option will be the correct option from here, that you are going to take here. Now come to question number 3. In question number 3, it has been given that which of the following is equals to 15 into 7 plus 15 into 5. That means it's regrouping it has been done here, where you can see which option will be the correct option here. So you go through it, it should contains all this. Okay. So here in the first question, first bit option given 15 into 7 into 5. In this question, 2 times 15 has been multiplied, one with 7 and another time with 5. But here only 15 into 7 and into 5 written. So this is not the correct option. Now come to option B, that is 15 plus 7. There is nowhere given than 15 plus 7, so this is also wrong option. Come to bit number C, 15 into 7 into 15 into 5. But in the question what given? 15 into 7 plus 15 into 5. But in this multiplication has been used. So this is also wrong here. So what you have to do here, then you will go to for the option D. So in this question, 15 into 7 plus 5 written. That means 15 into 7 plus 15 into 5. Okay. So option D is the correct option here in this question. Now come to question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following is equals to 18 into 4? 18 into 4. That means 18 4 times. Okay. 18 4 times means what? You know that multiplication is the repeated addition of the same number. Yes or no? So 4 times 18 will be added to get the answer of this. So which option will be the correct? You can see it very clearly in this question, question number 4. Which option is correct? So tick that. Okay. Now come to question number 5. Question number 5, a number has been given that should be multiplied by 100. You know that how to do this, as this is very easy. So now come to question number 2, filling the blanks. One number is given that you have to multiply by 1. So you know what will be the product here, and that is also equals to 1 into the number itself. As you know that the properties of multiplication. So go through, recall that property, multiply by 1 and do this question. Okay. Now come to question number 2. This question you have to compute here. So this you can easily find out. Okay. And then question number 3, you have to find out the product. You do that. Then now come to question number 4. Okay. In this question number 4, that it has been given a number where you have to compute. So students, what happened in your book, one thing not given, that is how you have to compute the when the multiple this operation, mathematical operation has been given, that is addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, and bracket and off is also there. So there is one rule which you have to follow, which you will understand afterward. But now you see that there is a formula, there is one rule which you have to follow, that is BODMAS. Okay. BODMAS. Okay. BODMAS. So this rule, with this following with this rule, you are going to do this. So I am going to explain you about this, that what is BODMAS here. So BODMAS, Okay, BODMAS, B stands for brackets. Okay, brackets all of you know, and O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Okay, so what you have to do, this BODMAS rule is followed. Why we are following this BODMAS rule? So that we can find out the correct answer when we are computing the multiple of if a question given with multiple of mathematical operation. So in this we have not gone through till division. Okay, we have not gone through now division. We are doing the chapter multiplication here. So what we are going to face in it, that we are going to face only this last three letters of this formula, that is multiplication. First, whatever it has been given, you have to do first multiplication, then you have to do addition, then you are going to do subtraction here. Okay, so now come to the question. Let us solve that question now. Okay, so in this question given that, I'm going to write that question. So look at this question, that is question number 2-4 here. So what you have to do, you know that we have to follow the formula here, that is mass. First multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So you can see that all the multiplication numbers you are going to see in 8. Okay, so you are going to put that in the bracket first. Okay, put that all this number in the bracket that you have to multiply. So first what you have to multiply here, that is 10 into 8. 10 into 8 gives you 80, then plus 4 2s are 8, then minus 6 5s are 30. Okay, then now next word, what's the rule said? Rule says that you have to do addition. So now what you are going to do, you are going to add this 2, that is 88 minus 60. So last one, at the last what you have to do, that you have to do the subtraction here. So what you will do here, you will subtract it here. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 5 gives you 5. So 58 is the correct answer for this question. Okay students, so do this one in your notebook. Now see question number 3, do as directed. In this question you have to find the product of the given questions. Some of the 3 bits have been given, that you will do in your notebook. Now come to question number 2, that you have to, in this question one pattern it has been given, that is 11 into 11 gives you 121. Then 111 into 111 gives you 1 2 3, then 2 1. So this is a pattern which you have to follow. Try to understand by yourself. If you are unable to understand, then we are going to discuss this in the tomorrow's Google Meet class. Okay students, now come to question number 3. Choose the best estimate by rounding off to the nearest 10. Okay, one thing you have to see, you have to read the question very carefully, that nearest 10 you have to go through. So nearest 10 and tick the correct option, correct answer among this. Okay, so a bakery bakes 125 cakes in a day. Each cake decorated with 18 gems. So about how many gems did it use in all? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to find out 125 into 18. Okay, whatever the answer will be there, that you are going to do with that answer. You have to round off to the nearest 10, as you know how to do it. So whenever you are doing the rounding off, what you have to do, nearest 10, you have to see the digit at the ones place. Okay, so do accordingly. The answer will be 2550. Okay, so when you are going to do this, so the answer will remain highest place. Here it is 10. So Tens, once you have to see, so this first option is the correct option for this question. Now come to next question, that is bit B and C. That is also very easy, you try to do yourself. And question number 4, here given the lattice multiplication, which we have already know how to do. Do all of you this in your notebook. And the compute method which I just now told you, just now which we have discussed, that compute method with the method of mass, go through it and do this question simplification, okay, with the mass following the MAS, multiplication, addition, then subtraction, okay. With this complete this question. And question number 6, word problems are given that you can do by yourself very easily. And question number 4, match the followings are there, which you have to use the multiplication trick to solve this. Okay students, we have done how to find out this. Okay students, so try to solve this all the questions in your notebook itself. If you will have any doubt, that we are going to discuss in the tomorrow's Google Meet class. Okay students, all the best to you all.